Hey guys, this is Iris. So right now we're in Cambodia at Phnom Penh, and it's a pretty big city actually. So we have a really pretty view, and that river right there is the Mekong River. So a lot of buildings, a really pretty view. So yeah, we'll be here for a week. So we'll be exploring it for about a week. So yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
This is a protection, and then this is a compassion, and then this is teaching, and then more this circle of life, and then this is a calling the earth to witness, and then more reclining paranirvana, Buddha pathway, and reclining. Too much gesture.
Is that Mahayana, Theravada, or both?
Theravada Buddhism.
Theravada and Mahayana is different?
Mahayana different.
Okay.
Too much many